Navjot Singh Sidhu has been awarded a 1-year jail term by the Supreme Court of India for assaulting a man in a road rage case. Now, the man shortly died after the assault and Sidhu was let off with a 1,000 rupee fine. Now, a lot has happened ever since because this crime was actually committed 34 years ago. It was December 27, 1988 when 25-year-old Sidhu and one Rupinder Singh Sandhu, who went by the alias Bunny, had allegedly parked their gypsy in the middle of the road near the Shirawala Gate crossing in Patiala. Here, a 65-year-old Patiala resident named Gurnam Singh also reached the spot in a car and asked them to move aside. Now, there was a scuffle after that and Sidhu allegedly beat up Gurnam Singh, and along with that he also took Gurnam Singh's keys and fled the scene so that Gurnam Singh is not able to get any medical help immediately. When Gurnam Singh was taken to the hospital, he was declared dead. In September 99, Sidhu was acquitted of murder by the trial court, but in December 2006, the Punjab and Haryana High Court held both Sidhu and his friend Bunny guilty of the crime, and they were awarded a 3-year jail term along with a 1 lakh rupee fine. Thereafter, Sidhu and his friend Sandhu challenged the verdict in the Supreme Court, which stayed their conviction pending appeal. On May 15, 2018, the Supreme Court convicted Sidhu under Section 323 for voluntarily causing hurt to Gurnam Singh. Sidhu was fined ₹1,000 under Section 323 of the IPC and let off. Can call it a coincidence, but this judgment and acquittal with a meager fine came soon after Sidhu had joined the Indian National Congress a few months earlier in 2017 and had taken an oath as a cabinet minister in the Punjab government. Sidhu was Minister of Tourism and Local Bodies at the time. Now, Gurnam Singh's family was obviously not pleased with the judgment till now, and they filed for a review petition which the Supreme Court agreed to hear the following year in 2018. Navjot Singh Sidhu was asked to resign from his post as the Congress president in Punjab in mid-March 2022. And just a few days later, the review petition filed by the victim's family was taken up by the Supreme Court, but the court reserved its verdict. Finally, on May 19, 2022, the Supreme Court awarded the maximum punishment to Sidhu under Section 323, giving him 1 year of rigorous imprisonment. Section 323 basically gives the punishment for voluntarily causing hurt to someone. The ex-Punjab Congress chief Navjot Singh Sidhu was supposed to surrender before a Patiala court, but he sought more time to surrender on medical grounds. The Supreme Court, however, refused to entertain Navjot Singh Sidhu's plea.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today NewsMo.